Don't touch me.
Ghost kind sir, to get my mail that you threw.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm gonna walk by. Don't touch me.
Hurry!
Okay, then let me go. Don't put your hands on me.
Go!
Okay, well, don't put your hands on me.
Go, kind.
Why do you keep doing that? Because you want to put your hands on me. I'm not going nowhere.
Go get my food!
Okay, then move.
Okay, go!
No, because you're going to... Y'all, I'm putting this on YouTube so everybody can see what you do to me. Everybody can
I'm getting you respect.
Everybody can see what you do to me. This is what I have to deal with on a regular basis. Abuse.
Oh, but did you record when you threw my food?
What are you talking about?
You said...
Shelly, you cannot cuss on YouTube.
Pick up my food.
You can't cuss on YouTube.
Well, this is not on YouTube.
Yes, it is.
Pick up my food.
Okay. Stop.
Kind say.
Stop. You keep trying to touch me. This is what I have to deal with.
You better not put this on YouTube.
Yes, I am.
Look! From him throwing it, it bumped my thing and then it bumped over here.
But I was kind enough to pick it up.
This is 5-star.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Recommend. You're on
No, do not put this on YouTube.
Yeah, you had your surgery.
Okay.
And these are the meals that you're eating that you would recommend.
Babe, do not put this on YouTube.
Why not?
Because I look crazy.
Well, all people with surgery like that look crazy.
Not like that. I mean, I just woke up.
Okay, don't nobody care about that.
Babe, do not put this on YouTube.
How do you like those meals? I'm definitely putting it on YouTube.
You are not.
I'm definitely putting it on. You should use it for your channel to talk about your
Then
food.
I will put my hands on you if you put this on YouTube.
You see how she is?
I will put my hands on you, kind sir.
Stop! Why is it cocked to hit me? Stop! Stop!
You got $5,000?
Alright guys, these are all the pipes and stuff like that. That's gonna be it. Peace.
You better not put that.
It's definitely going on YouTube. It's definitely going on YouTube. They want to see us, babe. They like how we are. They like how we are. Guys, make sure you get your, we're being super silly today. In fact, I gotta go to the dentist. So this is just a quick little vlog video because I'm testing out my new microphone. I got a new microphone for the iPhone. So make sure you guys get your Flash Custom Transfers, flashcustomtransfer.com. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. $19.99 per sheet, 22 by 24, buy 10, get 2 free, buy 5, get 1 free.
Baby, stop!
How much of it?
Baby,
guys, we got a lot of stuff going on over there. We're about to get, are we still gonna get the second house? And use this as the content house?
Baby, $500 check in the mail.
All right, she got jokes.
I always think, let them know. Every time.
Don't show that, you're gonna show our address.
Every time someone has, you know, like when you get mail and then they show like a fake check, like it looks like you're getting a fake check. Carl thinks every time.
I'm gonna take that out.
Carl thinks every time that it could be a real check. Okay. And then right here it says $500.
Oh, what designs are these, man?
And he said,
nobody's listening to you.
He said, you think that's really $500?
Nobody's listening to you. Nobody's listening to you.
You're not putting this on YouTube.
I'm definitely.
No, this is a beautiful design from this morning. This lady.
Oh, these are gonna print well.
Yeah, it came out good.
Who is that? Selena?
No.
Who was that?
These are old ladies. I don't know. Older ladies. Then that look like Etta, Queen Divas. I don't know who they are. You are not putting this on YouTube.
I'm definitely putting this.
How do I look?
You look good. Yours look good.
Babe, please don't put this on.
I have to.
Please. It has nothing to do with transfer.
Yes, it does. It's showing them the inside of our business and stuff like that. I want to show them the number. Should we start? Comment down below if we should start showing you guys our daily numbers and stuff like that.
We can do it now. So this is
what.
what.
Did we ring the bell?
No, let me see. This is what we woke up to this morning. I have the same shirt on from that last time we did the thumbnail.
There we go.
This is what we woke up to.
That's why you're so sleepy.
I sleepy.
Oh, yeah.
8:55.
Hold on, stay right there. Smile. Okay, that was the thumbnail. It went black.
Hush.
What? Yo, you see that? You see what I gotta do with it?
Anyway, so we woke up to 8:55. It's actually 8:25, so now it's like 55. And we have our bell. If you guys, I gotta give a food. If you guys remember from my channel what this bell represents and what this bell means, if you do not know, please head over to Flash Custom Transfers and see what she is all about.
Yeah, no, go head over there now because you guys can see the entire month of March of the process of doing our $36,000. You guys can see, and again, it's only 12:11.
There it goes.
Sorry, sometimes it messes up. So we're not doing this to boast or anything or to be, you know, boastful or to stunt. What's the word the kids do? Stunt?
Flex.
Flex. We're not doing it to flex or any way, shape, or form.
Brag.
Or brag, right? We're super humble. It's Ramadan. I shouldn't be eating, but
Oh, it started when?
yeah, it started, and I shouldn't be eating. But anyway, that's another subject. But shout out to all my, excuse me, this pollen outside is
Put a
crazy.
mask on.
Hush. But yeah, guys, so we just a super silly vlog video today. But in this video, right, whenever we kind of show you our situation, we're no different than you, right? These numbers and the money that we make is no different than you who's sitting in your apartment, in your house, in your friend's house, in your parents' house, wherever you're at, if you're at work, if you're in your car, wherever you are at watching this video right now, you can see we're not anything. Of course, we have the big warehouse and we got the bigger warehouse coming and we got the second house coming and stuff like that. Yes, but that was also 2 hard years of grinding our butts off. But we're just inspiration to you to just let you know that you can do it. And when the guy asked me, I want, you guys are best kept secret. Yes, we don't want to be out there. We, like I said, like I told him, we want to just focus on manufacturing so that you can be the face of DTF Transfers. So the people will come to you, wherever you are in your area, for the transfers, and then you order them from us. Like I said, you already know we are going to go to a new price in June for Juneteenth, because I think that'll be a major month, especially for the people who, you know, look like me and my community, and people of color. But if that goes well, we will probably or maybe keep the price there. And then on top of that, we have an entirely new product coming very soon. In fact, she doesn't even know that I already printed it.
Printed what?
Yeah, I already sent one. It's already
What'd I
ready.
tell you?
It's already ready to be printed.
I need to monitor your orders.
It's already ready to be printed. So we gotta drive back to our warehouse to get content on that and stuff like that, and kind of whip up that video because we want it to be just as impactful as the sublimation video when I went to throw away my sublimation printer. We want it to be just as impactful. So her and I, we got a script. We got it all kind of ready to go, but that's when we're going to release it. But it's already there. We just need to lay our eyes on it because we got a lot of going on, moving all the machines and stuff like that to the new warehouse, setting up all the electrical. That takes a lot. We're not going to film all that. Also, I thought about putting out the video for our competition. What do you think I should? Remember how we seen it? Remember, we seen how it works. Remember how it works with the screen print, and then it comes over and prints on top of it. You think I should release that video to show their process?
No.
We have our competitor. We have a video of our competitors. That's all that I'll say.
Of their warehouse.
Of their warehouse and how their machines work and what they do.
They can get their transfers themselves, and the transfers speak for themselves.
I know. I'm just saying, like, because, you know, you guys touched on the last video, us addressing the haters and stuff like that. You know, we are not here to be secret. We're not here to be secret in any way, shape, or form. That's the biggest thing about Shelly and I. That's why the transparency. Obviously, I have to throw away trash, this trash right here and this trash right here, and tidy up as we get ready for this weekend to film and stuff like that. But this is transparency. So this is what we hope that you guys enjoy whenever you get our product. Now, our product speaks for itself because that's done at a warehouse. But Shelly and I, me filming, she says she doesn't feel good or whatever. And, you know, I did get the shower this morning. No, we both showered this morning. Shelly just threw on some stuff.
I just threw on some sleep clothes until I need to get ready in 30 minutes.
Until she needs to get ready in 30 minutes. And then, you know,
Get me back on camera when I'm ready. When I'm dressed.
I'm about to throw this on YouTube right now. We get you on camera. You can get your own.
They trying to play
guys,
me.
go to her channel, the business channel, Flash Custom Transfers. Go watch the whole month of March. That's how I'm going to end this video. Go watch the whole month of March. You guys can see it. You can see from the beginning when we did what? $4,000?
That's when we realized, March 4th.
Yes. Oh, no.
We were
$5,000 by March 4th, and that's when we realized what we were on. So, guys, listen. We're not telling you this to necessarily promote our product so that you can buy it and go press on shirts. No. Create your own business from our manufactured product. That's what Flash Custom Transfers is for you to create your own business from a product that we manufacture, because there's nobody else in the world that does that. Anybody else who does transfers does not market and does not want you to become a competitor as far as selling the transfers to other people. They don't want you to do that. They only want you to purchase their transfers, press their transfers on your apparel, but they do not want you to resell. So, if you buy like a pack of Pepsi from Kroger and you get it, or Price Chopper or Rite Aid or whatever, if you get it, there's a do not resell sign somewhere on that individual can, because they sell it, they manufacture it and they sell it to you in a box, a 24 pack, but they don't want you to buy that and then sell them individually. That's what these other companies do. We want you to sell it individually. $19.99 per sheet, 22 by 24. Yes, true gang sheets over here. Put whatever you want on it. As you can see, this one right here. And then if there's anything small, we can put it in there as well. You can see the emails. Look at all those emails. Just emails that we got to answer. On top of that, we also got the buy 5, get 1 free. We are extending that. And then the buy 10, get 2 free. So I hope you appreciate this transparent video. We are just regular people building a 7-figure business. Yes, because right now we're well above 6 figures. But working on our 7-figure business. So imagine being able to imagine if Jeff Bezos was able to record his beginning process. We were very inspired by the Kanye West documentary. That's the reason why we film stuff like this. But, he didn't put it out till years later. We're putting it out as we go. So that you guys, whenever you guys see the new homes, the new vehicles, and all this other stuff, you will already be a part of that, part of the beginning. But like, yeah, I remember back when they didn't have anything. I remember, if you go back and look at our other videos, you can see us way back when we were in the apartment on Straight Outta Content. One bedroom apartment.
Yeah.
4 of us.
When we started with our Popeye's chicken sandwich.
When we started with our Popeye's chicken sandwich. 1 bedroom. And whenever I would have my daughter, me and Alora would sleep in the living room, and Shelly and her son would sleep in the bedroom. That's how far we've come. So, yeah, in 2 years, that's how far we've come. 3 years if you count the existence of Straight Outta Content, which was created in November of 2019. But if you count from when we started, when we bought our first heat press and stuff like that in June of 2020, now we're hitting June of 2022, and we're well above 6 figures, pushing a 7-figure business out of our house. Guys, I will do more videos on business and stuff like that. This one's kind of getting long, so we got some other stuff we got to go to. I got to go get, you want me to show them on camera?
No.
Don't show them. I got bone growth. I got bone growth, so I got to go get this surgically removed.
This ain't a medical channel.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Come on, can you see it?
Can't. Sorry. No.
I got bone growth, so I got it all in my mouth. So I got to go have major surgery. So I got to go get all this bone growth.
Okay, show them. Okay. See if someone else has this uniqueness. I've never seen this in my life, and it's kind of scary. And I didn't. Maybe
this will be the take a picture for the thumbnail.
That's nasty.
Yeah, but who cares? It's life. I don't care. I'm being transparent.
Oh, okay. See that light. Oh.
I'm being transparent. Okay, you guys ready?
Ugh. Hold on, where is it? Ah! Look at that bone. It's bone. Ew, it looks worse, babe.
Oh.
So we're going to the dentist today to do a consultation to have that surgically removed. Too. Hold on. Ick.
Yeah, it's all in my mouth. and all underneath. I gotta get it. I gotta get
Comment
it. So.
down below if you guys have that. I've never seen that.
You took a picture?
No, I can take a picture when we're done.
Okay, yeah, so that's gonna be it, guys. Like I said,
I do not want that as your thumb.
no, listen, I don't care. I'm being transparent with the people. They enjoy content like this, number one, and number two, somebody else out there it's called a mandible tori or something like that. So what it is bone growth. My for some reason, and it's weird because I've always had a really strong jaw, and what happened? I didn't get a cavity. I went like. What did I only have I went 30 something years. I only had like 4 cavities at that time. And then, but I think I didn't have my first cavity until I was like 20 something. I went a very long time. It's a lot, and this can still grow back. So even though they're going to do the surgery and shave it down and cut it down, it can still grow back. So maybe by the time I'm 60, it might look like this again. Who knows? They can't prevent it. So maybe this will help you guys out there. It's good to just kind of show this kind of stuff. But like I said, we're transparent. We're just a company just trying to grow big, and our goal is to help other small businesses grow as well. So just take a tip from us. If you can learn anything from us, please go ahead and ask us the questions and stuff like that. Purchase the sheets, start your own clothing brand, start your own transfer business. I got a guy, Mr. Wayne. Mr. Wayne has a small DTF printer. Shout out to Mr. Wayne. He has a small DTF. He's still getting transfers from us for bigger orders, but he has a small DTF printer, man, and I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him and his wife for starting that out. So shout out to you, Mr. Wayne. Hopefully you watch this video to the end. Hopefully you get to see this shout out. I appreciate it, guys. We appreciate everything. And yeah, we got to go because we got to go.
We got to get ready.
Yeah, we got to get ready.
Bone growth.
From my bone growth.
Should we film that? Like the
yeah, we totally should.
Your journey of your
my journey on my procedure. Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, see, good idea. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the next video because we gotta go.
Oh, or comment down below if you're a dentist and would like to do that for free.
Oh yeah.
As a part of your, we can promote it on our channel.
Yeah.
Sponsor it.
Yeah, and maybe we'll get them to do it too because they'll be like, oh, you guys are filming?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna bring the real camera though.
Okay.
It'll look a little bit more professional.
You know what they say? Be safe and be basic.
Peace.
Peace.